Welcome back to Autism Live. So the fifth of our 5 tips to prevent summer slide is splash. And I got to tell you that as much fun as being in the pool is, right, and it is and it should be, this is also a matter of life and death. We know that this is the time of year where we will start hearing devastating stories of kiddos that have eloped and have gone to a pool or a pond or a lake or an ocean, and the story doesn't end well. I don't even want to go there because it breaks my heart every time I hear one of these stories. We need to make sure that all of our kids have water safety skills. So there are lots of different ways to work on this, and you want to make sure that you're working with your ABA team to get your child to functional communication, excuse me, so that they can request things that they want to go towards or away, right? Because we know that that's a lot, not all of what eloping is that they want to go towards something and then they, towards water, or they want to get away from something and then they run towards the water. But also, they've got to learn how to swim enough so that if they get into water in their heavy clothes, that they can roll over on their back and float safely until somebody can find them. It is a matter of life and death. The statistics of it, this is the #1 cause of death for individuals who are on the autism spectrum. So giving your kids, and by the way, usually in communities now, they either have a half price discount for individuals with different needs, or in a lot of places, Autism Speaks gives grants to people teaching swim lessons to kiddos who are on the autism spectrum. So you may even be able to get the lessons for free. Go and find someone who will donate time at a local pool to help your child to learn how to swim if you don't know how to do it. There's a great book, Swimming in Autism, that's written by Tammy the Swim Chick. We've had her on the show before, and it really works on how to be able to work on swimming skills for kids who are on the autism spectrum. But splashing is a great way to be physical. Our kids need physical. They like the pressure. It's like being hugged. The water pressure feels good. They will enjoy the interaction. They will enjoy the colors of the water. We see kids that perseverate on the splashing, but give them the opportunity to play games in the pool. It's a place to socialize over the summer. It's a place to be with a community of people if you're in a local pool or if you invite other kids over. I encourage you, if you have your own pool, make sure that you have the settings, safety settings, so that you know if somebody drops into the pool. Be as safe as you possibly can. But please, 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 teach them water safety skills and get them to some form of splash. It is very good for our children. It's good for their health. It's good for their physicality. How much time do we have? 4? All right, so I'm gonna segue away from this, but splash, splash, splash. It's very good for our kids. Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.